Okay, so we want to talk about the new feature that Action1 just released, and that is update approval per organization. So Action1 now gives us the ability to approve OS updates and third-party application patches on a per organization level versus the whole enterprise like it was prior. As you can see here, I'm just on my dashboard right now, but you can see I have a handful of different organizations. And this can be really helpful for MSP clients where each organization is a full different customer or client. Now, let's head down to update approval. And from here, we can see all the updates that this organization needs. Microsoft Edge, in this example, let's say maybe this specific organization does not want Microsoft Edge update. And what I can do, or what would happen before, is if I decline this update, this would affect all of the organizations within Action1. Now we have the ability, if I click on decline, it gives me the option to just decline it for this one specific organization. So all the other organizations will still get that Microsoft Edge update. Now, if I did know that this was maybe a bad patch and I don't want any organizations to have that, I can still choose my full enterprise, which will affect all the organizations like it did prior. But now with the added functionality, we can choose that specific organization and decline it for just the one. And that goes the same for approving updates. I can select one, mark it as approve. I can approve it for just the one organization, or again, I can approve it for all organizations. So just giving you more flexibility for how updates are distributed across a multi-org setup. But that's it. Thank you.